To send money to Nepal remotely, start by visiting the website and logging in with your account credentials. Once logged in, scroll down to the section that allows you to select the country to send money to, and choose Nepal from the list of countries. Click the Send Money button to begin the transaction process, and enter the amount of money you wish to send. Next, select the delivery method that is most convenient for your recipient in Nepal. Choose your preferred payment method, which can include bank transfer, debit card, or credit card, and enter the necessary payment details. After selecting your payment method, click the Continue button to proceed. You will then need to select your recipient's bank from the list of supported banks in Nepal, and enter their bank account number. Double-check this information to avoid any errors. Finally, click the Continue button to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully send money to Nepal remotely.